we've been talking about the best places to live in Costa Rica. In our previous videos, we have focused on great places to live in the mountainous areas, but we're about to go to the Pacific border and the Caribbean border, and we're going to be talking about some beach towns. But before we go, I found a gem, a beautiful place, highly sought after. It's got some really cool climates in the mountains. So today, I'm going to take you on a tour to an area that's at one of the highest areas in Rivas. Beautiful mountain views, great places to live in Costa Rica, and great rent. So what you waiting for? Grab your helmet, jump on board. We're gonna tour the area from Canaan all the way up to Mount Chirripo. Before we start our actual tour, let's take a look at the map so I can show you our exact route. But before we look at the route, I want to show you some of the roads off of our route that we won't be on, but has lots and lots of places with beautiful places to live. So if you see, there's a lot of these offshoot roads right here. And down these roads are some really nice remote areas where a lot of gringos live, and not a whole lot, but just great places where you can find rentals. As we go on up, you're gonna see there's more areas up here. And you can see it says agua thermals here, so there's some hot waters right there that come from the volcanic activity that's not too terribly far away. And then as you can see, there's some small areas here, but we're going to be going all the way to the very end of this road. So let's start at the beginning of our map and let's take a look at our exact route. Our route starts right here in Canaan, right across from the soccer field. And we're going to drive straight up this road, and as a side note, there's a place where people go paragliding. So if you're interested in paragliding, there's a paragliding club right there. So we're going to follow right on up the road. As we go all the way up the road, we're going to follow this road. It passes by the Pelican Hotel and Restaurant. Really nice place. We'll follow this road all the way up. And we're going to turn here and keep going down the road. We're going to pass the Hard Rock Cafe. As you can see, it says Hotel Rockadura, and that's just the Hard Rock Cafe. We're going to follow straight on up this road. And we come over here past this area, follow the road all the way across the river, and we're going to end at the very end of the road, which then enters into the CloudBridge Private Nature Reserve. Right here is the entrance to the Chirripo National Park if you decide you want to hike that someday, the highest point in Costa Rica. Now, keep in mind, there's not a whole lot of stores or shopping all through this area. However, you're only minutes away from Rivas, where you can get practically anything that you want, and then only 20 minutes from Celadon, where you really can buy everything, especially at the new Walmart. So let's go ahead and get started on our tour. And that's the end of our tour. We've only traveled just under 5 kilometers, starting at Canaan and traveling all the way up to the end at CloudBridge Nature Reserve. It's a beautiful spot and lots of great places to live in Costa Rica.